Oh, yo, okay. What's up? All right. Oh, okay. Making sure everything's working. Holy, yo, today was rough. I'm gonna tell you. I took a trade that came off the halt and OTKRA, and I ended up it started not working for me, and I got out late as fuck, and it cost me like almost $1,200. It cost me $1,200, and then I retraded again, and I made like a couple hundred, so then it became like $1,000 loss, and then I started trading. I started trading, trying to make up my losses, and I ended up having a good string of wins. Cause these are just little baby winners, and capital good news. But generally, Genus tends to suck. I remember swing trading this a long time ago, last year. Tends to gap down. All right, I think I take the dip trade at the EMA. I think, yeah. It starts to go against me, but my out is right here, 90. If it breaks under 90, I'm out. I think I average back in. I put 3K shares at 94 average. It pops back up. It's hovering around 95 right now. And it hangs up right here, and I'm just like, it just seems so weak, so I went ahead and took out my profits. It breaks through 97. It's one of those where I've seen stocks that just do like that. They just grind down, and this has just had the recipe. The volume was declining, and that huge red sell candle right there. As I'm looking at $1. I'm hoping for $1, but I think I take out like half my position at 90. Yep, at 90. Oh, I ended up filling me at 93. I think because my ask. Oh yeah, I had to adjust it. My ask was like, I was copying Ross Cameron where I add like -1 on the ask, so I have like a way worse. My fill is a little bit not that good, but it's quick. So, but it gave me like a pretty shitty fill at 93, and I was trying to buy, and then I just couldn't figure out how much I needed to get, and I kept getting an error because I needed a certain amount. And I got out. It falls back down, $50 right there. Let's see, I was pretty hot right now. You know what I'm saying? This market sucks, dude. The bear market. Red box. I was hoping Redbox might run kind of like a flag on the 5 over here, or the 1 minute, I guess. I wish I got that shit. Let's see. I think I win. It pops up really quick. Look at that red, dark red on the level 2. Pops up real quick, and I took my sell. I'm trying to look for one clear pike. Yo, 250 is gonna be such a sick break. Yeah, I'm hoping for a 260 break. It's clear. Like, usually stocks, when they curl up like that and then they curl back down and then they start working their way back up to a break, pre-market break, it'll go up like another 10% or more. I'll take it to a 250 break. I take my order at 246, leading up to the 250. Because it hangs up around 250. You take a 10-cent win. I took half off the table right there, just in case, because I'm like, see that 250 break? That 50 is weak. It's like super choppy. Like, see how it goes back and forth? I'm just worried about it just falling back down on me. So I'm pussying out. Now I got 600 shares. I got rid of all of it, actually. Yeah, I got rid of my entire position because it comes right back down. It just takes a while to. Yo, just so weak. Everything's just weak, but it's building up for a 250 break. It is building up, actually. Kind of like you don't know where it's gonna go. Eventually it breaks up, but it comes right up. Here, I think I see. Look,
Oh no!
look right here. Look right there.
Oh, there it goes. Now it comes right back down. Look at that.
You take that. It's just a 5-cent
Look
win.
at that. That it's gonna become a double top. It could probably keep going.
I don't think. I think it falls right here, and it doesn't recover. Let me see.
Bye. Oh my god.
Yep. It goes from 260 back down to 2. So it wasn't even that good. I'll take this Vera trade. I think I just lose out because I'm over here trying to dip buy and it pulled back significantly to this area where it last broke out of. And it just looks like a good spot. My out is 1490. And I get freaking whacked out.
I had Roblox.
I lost 228, $200 right there.
Damn.
Sheesh.
I should have just went to
So
Roblox.
now I'm like a negative
I
$100.
thought that was gonna be a good one.
That's a bad trade. I shouldn't take like a dip buy without waiting for like a candle to make a new high. Plus the volume is so red. Everything is red. It just looks super weak out the open. Don't take a dip. I'll just put that in my rules.
I mean, I'm like
I got my rules right here.
Roblox,
My rules. No.
50,
I hope no
block
dip
shorted.
buys when under VWAP. How about VWAP and the 50 EMA
Gosh.
or the EMAs? I'll say EMAs. There's like multiple ones. It's just better that way, cause it's if it's bullish, it'll stay above it and go up. I mean, sometimes you'll get lucky and get a good hit. If you're just really patient, you can catch a falling knife play.
For one more A+ setup, and then
I'm looking for A+ setup, I said, but I don't know. I'm not even doing it. The A+ setup came like an hour into the fucking trade, and I'll show you. This is where I took the biggest hit of my, hopefully the biggest hit ever. I hit all buy. I did 100% buy power at fucking 1250 because I thought, because like it's stepping up, and it's a stock that showed up on the scanner. And it halted up, and then it came right back down. I thought it was gonna retake it's gonna be one of those where it kind of just pops past here and get to like 13 or 14. Here's the problem with this stock that I got on my rules now. But I added this rule because of this stock. I added this rule as check spreads before you place a position, and also don't take high day breaks after a halt. You know, just at least watch the stock a little bit. But look at the spread. We have a bid at 12.21 and an ask at 12.35. We're looking at a 14 cent spread. Usually a good spread is like 1 to 5 cents or something like that. It's just the lower the spread, the better, because when you try to get a fill, you're going to get the spread is so ridiculous that the stock is going to go through different price levels really quick, because this is a low floater, so it's gonna shoot through different levels, and if you got like a bad fill, you can be underwater really quick, and I think that's what happened to me right here. Okay, I take a buy at the ask. Okay, so we get some fills at the ask. Damn, 1,400 shares. That's a lot of shares. I went full because I thought I was hoping to get a bust through and get like 10-20 cent, at least half out at like 10 cents. But immediately, as soon as I buy it, it just starts pulling back. I'm seeing a little bit of green, and I think I was too slow on the button right here. So we're up 250 really for a short amount of time, but the spread is so crazy. It'll go from 250 back down to like 12.36, and I mean not 250, 12.50 to 235. Look at that. That's crazy. I'm already under. I'm under right now, just like that. I'm like, oh shit. Now, because it pulled back so hard from the 1250, I don't know. The question is, should I just got out right there? The question is, I have to figure out when I need to get out if it can't break the level that I want it to break at. The setups I want will be working right away. So what I did was later in the video, I'm gonna show you guys. I put 2 videos together. I put this shitty trade with a good trade, and now I'm gonna compare the level 2s and then the time and sales so I can help identify a good whatever. So it starts to go way under.
Oh fuck.
Look at me.
Oh shit. I should have.
And already, if it's not working for me right away, maybe I should get out. But there's a chance. But there's moments where it doesn't work for you, and then it comes right up. So you just gotta sometimes take these hits. But at the same time, this is a breakout trade, and I should have been out as soon as it's like start touching 12. So I went ahead, just got my fill. Fucking yep. It was a negative 700 day plus like 730 and then minus like 300 in commissions because I was like trying to trade my way back up to profit, and I almost did. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a step back. I'm gonna take a step back and just try to do 1 or 2 trades a day tomorrow, and just make sure I find like the ones I really like. And all right, now here's DPSI. This is the one that made me the most money. I actually made like 800 bucks, almost 900 bucks on this one.
Take that.
I took the quick breakout. Oh yeah. That's how I was pushing up. So I took the quick breakout trade. I'm looking at the level 2, and I mean the time it sells. It is super choppy. Breaks through. It worked out almost immediately. That's how you got a good trade. Your out should be around here.
The breakout pass.
The spread is like 10 cents also, which is not as bad as ultra, but see how it whips all around? This thing can literally just fly back down to like 7. That's why I took the quick profit. You see you got rejection wick. And how should I know when to re-enter? I don't know, but this one starts to fly. What I should look for.
The spread is so crazy on these things.
There's green over here. Green. I should have went in right there. Boom. And when I see a bunch of light blues everywhere, I go in.
Spread, it's just like, oh.
That's a sign. It's constant. I might need to change the color.
I'm trying to get the bid.
20,000? Or is it 2,000? It's 100, 200, 300. There's a lot of fucking. The level 2 look good right over here. Let me see. And it pops up to 850. 850. There's a lot of people trying to sell at 850. 850. The whole dollar break. I mean $half break. I should just get back in. I'm over here. I want to study this one. Boom, it breaks up to the fucking halt. I wonder why Trade Zero has a limit up, limit down right there. I should have saw that. That is the circuit breaker. When it hits that right there, limit up, limit down, 847, it's gonna halt to the upside. And then the limit breaker down here is 693. I wish there needs to be I gotta color code that. I traded the AMC. I made some wins, I'm telling you. I was like $100 away from profit. From a profitable day. I just stuck to, if I just not get caught in that one trade, or just got out when my gut tells me to get out, if it's not working right away, I guess, because you can just take these small losses, because all you need is like one big home run. I take the 950 break. I'm thinking it's gonna break out of this double top, but I feel like I'm going through the same issues I had as the other trade. I was scared that 950, like, it was gonna drop down. But then look, then it just shoots right up there. So I'm like, and then the volume is going up again. Boom. Immediately. Instant resolution.
I feel like it's still strong.
It is strong. It's strong as fuck.
I'm either gonna get fucking wiped out, or this is gonna be fucked.
Oh yeah, I had a bad fill. I had a 982 fill. Okay, because the spread. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's because I was like, I didn't have the right amount because of how much I lost earlier. So the fill, I was trying to get in at 930. Okay, 930. Where is it? 933. Had this thing not rejected my order, I kept getting rejected because I didn't have the right quantity, because I didn't know how much I was like, because of my margin, everything's low now. And then I got like percentage buy on my thing, and I guess it was just getting it wrong. And yeah, but imagine if I had that, I would have been up.
It's like so much volume, so why is the spread so crazy?
That is a good question.
Ooh.
How to hold it at 982. Oh my god, when I was trying to get a 933 fill. Damn. Imagine. Okay, it goes up to $10. Oh my god. To reduce my risk. But I wouldn't have reduced my risk about that 930 fill, I guess. I don't know what I would have done. Probably would have sold early.
Ah, I should have got out.
Boom, just falls right back down. You don't know.
So crazy up in here.
It is crazy. You see that? You see how it goes from $10 down to $9.30 in a blink of an eye? So I feel, because I saw that, I got scared. Reduced my position. I have 300 left to see what it's gonna do. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. A lot of buys. That should already be a signal. Boom. Green. Is it green volume? Yep. Did I take it? No, I sold it. You don't sell right there, Scott. It's because it was like a lot happening. Okay, at the moment you just can't see it. You just can't see it, dude. Look. Oh my god, you can't even see, dude. The fucking volume candle slowly rising up. I gotta like raise that up or something. Oh, there's the volume right there. Oh, I gotta look at that. Whatever. I gotta make sure. Alright, so this is cool. So this is what took me so long to get this video out, because I was trying to render this shit right here. I was trying to render this to compare. I'm just trying to compare the charts and entrance. The way I fucking breathe. It's like, why do I breathe like that? Am I holding my breath the whole time? Okay. 1250 break. 780 break. I'm looking at. We're gonna see that. We're gonna compare. Okay, what's going on here? DPSI volume is the volume is running up faster than this one. There's already a lot of volume. You're looking at the spread. Okay, the spread is fucking stupid right here. There's a bigger. Oh.
The breakout.
All of a sudden, this green bar turns into a red bar. Boom. Should that tell me to sell? I should have got out right there. Can I see this stuff fast enough when the time comes? Now I'm like hesitating. I'm like, do I get out?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, it turns green.
Oh, shit.
Actually, I'm really confused right now.
I should have shorted that one.
I'm really confused. So, yeah, I got out. It's just like, That's rough. I like that. Okay. Volumes. Then I switch it over. So
The spread is so crazy on these things.
300,000.
This is scary.
Volume's going crazy, right? That should already
Look
tell
at
me.
that spread. It's just like, ugh.
Look at that volume candle erupting. All right.
Bro, I'm trying to get the bid
So you can see on that
instead of buy the ask.
the other one was just like a slow. The candle was so slow. This one was fucking rising like a tide. Green everywhere. Look at that. Boom. That candle's huge. How it looks. The other one had like a candle. The green candle went way above the last candle. The candle's rising. But that red sell candle is like shooting a bird at you. You see that?
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I should have showed that.
2 red sell candles. Okay, 950 break at the same time on the other DPSI winner. 950, 1250. We're gonna see how it looks. Volume is still at 980,000. This one.
What's my average? 982.
Wait, is this the volume on a 3-minute? Volume on a 5-minute? It's too
Shit, I
different.
should have just done the bid. But I think it's gonna keep pushing. Let's see.
You could see like the volume is just rising really quick. Green, green,
I
green.
gotta stay away from these.
Ooh. Even on
I'm
the
looking at it past 10.
look at that. That should already tell me something. But is there enough information here to say, yeah, a big old cell wall. The spread was fucking awful. The fucking bird. I would have had a 930 average actually. Remember this one? I would have had a 930 average with the rejection.
Ah, fuck. Oh, shit. I should have shorted that one. Oh, that's heavy red. Ooh. I feel like it's still strong.
Oh look. Thank God I did this.
I'm either gonna get
Look at that,
fucking
another
wiped out,
big green candle
or this is gonna be
on the
fucking
volume.
crazy.
Huge green on the volume. Increasing volume speeds. Green on the time and sales. Super uneven. Looks towards the bid side. I don't know if that's actually a thing. I don't usually see this very often, but here's my checklist. Making my
So much
checklist right now.
volume, so why is the spread?
Stay in trade. Stay in trade. Slow volume. Slow volume. Previous red candle. Previous red volume. Should consider exiting early. Okay, let's get this together because I want to recognize these. I've been trading these all the time. It just I never broke down my trades like this before. I always just kept it in my head. Be like, okay, I remember how it felt. Because there's trades when I take the trade, I take the maple back, and it just keeps ripping. I'm like, wow, what is the
So crazy.
what is it that makes it do that? You know, what are the indicators that I need to be looking at to feel it, to make sure? But it looked strong just on how the chart was holding up. I wasn't sure. Now that I know how to read this other stuff, or maybe I know how to read it, I don't know. We're gonna see tomorrow. Yikes, dude. Look at that. That candle already took over the original breakout candle. That's why this thing ripped up to $13. Maybe this is the key. So I'm gonna be breaking down. Hopefully I find other stocks like this, and then we can break down, see if these indicators, I wouldn't say indicators, but these patterns, if they all share
I should have got out.
a similar profile when it comes to ripping. Well, now we're looking at the time it sells all together. I just did it to where it's closer. This is another one. This is a different entrance. But here's the clues. I already see the clues. The green volume just gets bigger and bigger.
This is too high. It's so overextended.
And it's super extended, but it goes up to $12, dude.
Daily can go.
Look at that. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Super green. I said, whoa. Oh, there it goes. It's still green. It's green for like forever. And here comes 1150 resistance. A lot of red at the 1150. But the chance people were just squeezing
There's
it.
like no spot for like an entrance. You literally have to just get in.
1150 is an entrance. Because a lot of people try to put their stops there. Only for temporary. This is a micro pullback. Everything's still green.
It's like way beyond.
It goes up to $12. Wow. 1150 to $12. $12.
$12 resistance.
It's too late now. Alright. Alright. This is a good learning experience.
Then you can look for like a dip around 8.
Okay, let's see how this is good. I actually get to see it like straight up now. Okay. I mean, I took a huge hit. Let's see if we could turn this account around in the following weeks, in the following days.